Hello friends, I am Meghna Parikh and we are start from the indeterminate form. And indeterminate form, there is one topic is introduction and 0 by 0 formations. We are start from the introduction of the indeterminate form. In maths, there is a several things cannot be explained by the logic and by the words. In that case, the things are either no or undefined quantities like the 0 by 0 formation are called indeterminate formations. In determinant form, we know the limit of the constant of the two functions where f of x and g of x can be written as limit x tends to a f of x upon g of x equal to limit x tends to a f of x and limit x tends to a g of x is provided limit x tends to a g of x does not equal to 0. But if in case there is limit x tends to g of x equal to 0, then the given result does not give any information about the limit. Such time we are using indeterminate formations like limit x tends to f of x may or may not be to equal to 0. If f of x is not equal to 0, does not have any finite value. So it may be plus or minus infinity or does not exist. If limit x tends to a f of x equal to 0, then limit x tends to a f of x upon g of x is known as an indeterminate form of the type 0 by 0. For example, see it is x square minus 1, x minus 1 and limit is 1. So if we are putting x equal to 1, we are get 0 by 0 form. Cos x minus 1, what is cos 0? Cos 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0 and x equal to 0. So it is also 0 by 0 formation. Other indeterminate form are infinity by infinity, 0 into infinity, infinity minus infinity, 0 raised to 0, infinity raised to 0 and 1 tends to infinite. L'Hospital rule for the form 0 by 0, if function f of x applying limit x tends to 0 equal to 0 equal to limit g of x tends to a. So limit f of x upon g of x tends to a, it is f dash x upon g dash x where g dash a does not equal to 0. Using Taylor series, we are assuming validity power of the expansion f of x and g of x with the power of x minus a. So we get it is limit f of a x minus a f dash a up to f double dash a up to g double dash a. F of x equal to f of a equal to 0, g of x equal to g of a equal to 0. We get x minus a f dash a x minus a whole square upon 2 factorial f double dash a up to. Now we are taking x minus a common. So we get f dash a x minus a by 2 factorial f double dash a plus up to g dash a x minus a upon 2 factorial g double dash a up to. Now we are putting x equal to a limit. Then we get only these two terms. It is f dash a by g dash a. So answer is limit f of x upon g of x applying x tends to a. We get limit f dash x upon g of x tends to a. Hence it is proved. Form 1. Working rule of the evaluate limit of the 0 by 0 formation. We take L. Limit x tends to a f of x upon g of x 0 by 0 form by L'Hospital rules. Limit x tends to a f dash x g dash x 0 by z formation. L'Hopital's rule, it is f double dash x upon g double dash x 0 by 0 form. L'Hopital's rule, we are say f triple dash x upon g triple dash x and it is provided when g triple dash a does not equal to 0. Remark, for our convenience we shall use the standard expansion of the sum function. So standard limit of the evaluated indeterminate forms such as limit sin x by x equal to 1, limit tan x by x equal to 1, a raised to x minus 1 by x we say log x, e raised to minus x minus 1 x and we are applying x tends to 0, we get log e equal to 1. Similarly, limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x raised to 1 by x equal to e and 1 plus 1 by x raised to x equal to e. Note, In indeterminate form, we can use above standard limits only when the functions are multiplied together, as the quotient rule is not applied. The third, that if limit x tends to a, h of x is standard limit, then we can write limit x tends to a, h of x, f of x upon g of x. Limit x tends to a, h of x into limit x tends to a, f of x upon g of x. In this chapter, wherever limit x tends to 0 log x means limit x tends to 0 plus log x. Right hand limit as log x define x tends to 0 only. We are taking example e raised to x, e raised to minus x square minus 2 sin square x upon x square. Now we are putting the value 0. It is 0, 1, 1, minus 1, minus 2. We getting 0 by 0 formations. Using rule of the 0 by 0 form, we are differentiate e raised to x as a e raised to x, differentiate e raised to minus x minus e raised to minus x, x square as a 2x, and 2 is a 0. What is the differentiation of sin square x? It is 2 sin x cos x. So we say that sin 2x, and differentiation of x square is 2x. Putting again x equal to 0, we get 0 by 0 formation. So again we are using rule of L'Hopital's rule. So it is e raised to x plus e raised to minus x minus 2. Again e raised to x, e raised to minus x into minus 1 minus 2 upon 2 cos 2x minus 2. We put x equal to 0, we are getting 0 by z form. Again differentiation e raised to x minus e raised to minus x minus 4 sin 2x. Again we are applying x tends to 0, we are getting 0 by 0 form. Again we are differentiate e raised to x plus e raised to minus x minus 8 cos 2x. After this time we are applying 0, we getting 1 plus 1 upon minus 8. Is the answer as finite number minus 1 by 4. It is our limit. Now evaluate limit x tends to 1, x raised to x minus x minus 1 minus log x. Solution. Now we are taking limit x tends to 1, x raised to x minus 1 minus log x. It is 0 by 0 form. Using rule of L'Hopital's, we are taking differentiation. What is the differentiation of x raised to x? It is x raised to x 1 plus log x. Differentiation of x is 1. Differentiation x is 1. My 1 is 0. Log x is 1 by x. Again we put x equal to 1. We getting 0 by 0 form. Again we are taking differentiation. Is a multiplication rule of the differentiation. X is to x. Differentiation of 1 plus log x is 1 by x. 1 plus log x as it is. Differentiation of x is to x is x raised to x 1 plus log x upon 1 by x square. And 1 is 0. Putting x equal to 1, we get L equal to 2. Limit x tends to 0, tan square x minus x square upon x square tan square x. Put the value x equal to 0 or x tends to 0, we getting 0 by 0 form using L'Hopital's rule, multiplying divided by the x square. So we are multiplying tan square x minus x square upon x square into x square tan square x upon x square in denominator. So it is tan square x minus x square. What is the limit tan x tends to 0 of tan x by x square? Is it equal to 1. So it is x raised to 4. Applying L'Hopital's rule, differentiate 2 tan x into sec square x minus 2x upon 4x cubed. Putting the value 0, we get 0 by 0 form. Again we are differentiate in numerator and denominator. We get 2 tan x, 2 sec x into tan x, sec square x as it is, 2 sec square x minus 2 upon 12x square. We are put x tends to 0 in this formation because we are multiplying this 4 sec square x, tan square x plus 2 sec square x minus 2 upon 12x square. Putting x tends to 0, again we get 0 by 0 form. Again we are differentiate this thing 4 sec square x as it is, tan square x differentiation is 2 tan x sec square x, tan square x as it is, we are differentiate sec square x, it is 2 sec x tan x plus 2 4x cube x sec x tan x and differentiation of 2 is 0. In denominator we are getting 24x. Put x equal to 0. Again it is 0 by 0 form. We are differentiate again and we get, after the differentiate we get answer 16 by 24. It is 2 by 3. If limit x tends to 0, a e raised to x minus b cos x plus c e raised to minus x, x sin x equal to 2. Find the value of ABC. Let limit x tends to 0, a e raised to x minus b cos x, c e raised to minus x, x sin x. Now we know that sin x by x and applying limit x tends to 0, so it is 1. So we are multiplying x here and divide by x. So we get sin x by x formation and it is your 1. Now we getting in denominator x square. The limit of denominator is 0. So to apply this rule, we making indeterminate form. Limit numerator must be 0. But in a minus b plus c equal to 0. So, by the rule of the L'Hopital in equation 1, the same as above, a minus c equal to 0. Applying L'Hopital's rule for equation 3, we are getting 2 equal to a plus b, c equal by 2. So, a plus b, c equal to 4. The solving equation number 2, 4 and 5, we get a value of a, b, c as a 1, 2 and 1. Some examples are illustrated to here to solve the 0 by 0 formation of the indeterminate form.